Good morning. Welcome to a new episode of Bo's Slow English. Oh, look at this. Finally, some Halloween decorations in LA. My husband and I are on our way to walking a 5K. A 5K consists of walking or running or jogging 3.1 miles, which isn't too far. I might sound like I'm a little bit out of breath because we are vigorously walking to the meeting point, or we're power walking to the meeting point. Today's episode is all about the term Sunday Funday. Luckily, the meeting point of the 5K is only 0.4 miles away from our apartment. Later this afternoon, we are going to see Cirque du Soleil. Comment below if you've ever been to a Cirque du Soleil show. I found a shortcut to the meeting point. We are now walking down an alley, or sometimes you might hear that word as alleyway. I'm hearing some people on the loudspeaker, which means that we are approaching the final destination. Oh, I see some balloons over there. They are starting to warm up.
Good. Maybe take it back and forth a few times.
They've blocked off the streets. I need to find my friend. We are getting our number. The race is starting. Here we go. This 5K is a casual race. Good morning. This gentleman just asked us to walk on the right side of the cones. Look at how cute that dog is. It kind of has a sideways walk. Can you see that? Good morning. Usually this street is very busy with lots of traffic. So we had a late start, but the runners are already finished and we just started. We just finished the 5K. Now we are looking to find a breakfast spot, and then we're going to go home and get ready for the Cirque du Soleil show. We are now at a local breakfast restaurant called BoAi in Santa Monica, and we both ordered breakfast burritos. Inside the burrito, it has chorizo, hash browns. We opted for no cheese. What else does it have? Eggs. So kind of a typical burrito. And it includes a side of salsa. We also got a cappuccino with coconut milk. We are in sunny Santa Monica, heading to the Santa Monica Pier to watch Cirque du Soleil. Welcome to the Santa Monica Pier. That is the PCH, Pacific Coast Highway. They call this venue Under the Big Top. Although it is busy today, it's not the busiest Sunday that I've seen before. The last time I was on the Santa Monica Pier was probably over 15 years ago. I was stressed earlier today thinking about finding parking, but it was surprisingly really easy. And we have 15 minutes to spare before the show starts. We are standing in line. I am getting my electronic ticket ready.
Hi everybody, we do have 4 lines open. You can fill in the middle line.
Have your tickets ready with barcode and QR code.
I'm pulling up our tickets in the Apple Wallet. They are going to scan this QR code and then we will be in. I think there might be a quick security check. And I'm not sure how they feel about cameras. So I should probably put my camera away after the ticket is scanned.
Yes, wonderful. Excellent.
Thank you. Now we are going to find our seats. Hello. We have some souvenirs. The porta potties, which are the restrooms. They are partnered with Air Canada, probably because Cirque du Soleil is a Canadian company, I think specifically from Quebec. I have been to maybe 4 or 5 Cirque du Soleil shows. I love the thrill and the art and the talent.
Some help finding a seat?
Let's see. 205 H2 and 1.
Awesome. You want to come follow me?
Thank you. Oh, great. Thank you.
If you have any questions, let me know, okay?
Thank you. I picked some awesome seats. I didn't know we were going to be so close.
What's so much?
It's going to be a packed audience. We just got out of Cirque du Soleil, and as expected, it was awesome. Now we are going to get a snack, I think. You want to get a snack? Okay, we're gonna go eat, and I was hoping to do a little bit of shopping. There are usually a lot of cart vendors here selling fruits, juices, and hot dogs. We're still by the Santa Monica Pier, so it's pretty busy. But as we head more north, it gets a little less crowded. We are going to Katsunori, which is a Japanese hand roll restaurant, and hopefully we can get seated fairly quickly, but usually there is a long line. Here we are. I am pouring soy sauce. There's nothing in here. Do you have more soy sauce? Thank you.
Oh, this is gonna be just trying not to cover the air hole, and then you kind of.
Oh, okay, great. I was covering the air hole. Okay, now I know. This is the salmon hand roll. We got a cucumber roll. I made a mess. refreshing. Here's our bill. Our total is $62.99. We got, let's see, maybe 8 or 9 hand rolls, each ranging between $5.50, actually, sorry, $4.75 to $6. It was delicious.